Welcome back to a new video. I'm playing Subnautica. So I'm trying to get my sea moth, aka a submarine. If you don't know what Subnautica is, it's basically an open world. You crash land onto an alien planet, and you have to find a rocket to get yourself out of the alien planet. So you have to build stuff, try and survive, and try and recruit back with your crewmates, I think. So leave a comment down below if you do enjoy this video. Subscribe to my best friend Killer Chameleon. So see you all in the next one. So have a good day and peace. Okay, all we need to do is get lubricant and a power cell and some other shit if I need. But then I will have a look and what do I need. Then when I get my sea moth, I will do like some missions for it's Life Pod 19, isn't it? Yeah, I think it might be. No, I haven't uploaded a video for like a week now, but I did. I was doing a video for Destiny 2 last night, and that was been a bit shit. So it is the same video. I will link that up probably tomorrow or the other day after tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video, because I was with my mate, and you can't hear him, of course, and that's the thing is. So we need to wait. Do I need to get creep fine? No, I need to get that glowy bit. Come here, boomerang. Come here, boomerang. Come here. There we go. I need food anyway. So it lists these, isn't it? Yeah, I can pick them up. There's a okay, I'm gonna drop them too. I don't really need them. There we go. What the fuck was that? You tried to bite me? Nah. So get that. He was literally trying to bite me. Well, let's go back to my pod and get something. It's getting dark, so that's gonna be scary when it's dark at night. Like when it's like night, when it's night and you're in the water, it's like, my god, it gives me anxiety. This shit just gives me a fucking anxiety. I don't like it. I don't like that one. Little Britain. Whatever again. Okay, it's not in that. Yeah, lubricant and power cell, yeah. So I can create lubricant. There we go. Then now, I think I need two ores and 4 acid mushrooms. Yeah, never mind. I need 3 acid mushrooms. So all I need is a power cell now. So I'm just doing my vehicle first. Then I need to see what do I need for the sea moth, aka Redrick. That's why I call my sea moth Redrick. Epic name it is. Oh my god, it's so scary down here. Right, where's the cave? Where's the cave? Where's the cave? Oh, there it is. I need to get my sea glide, the battery as well. So I guess I have to look for more silver ores and that. Oh shit, is it this way or that way? I don't want to get burnt alive down here. Right, is it this way? No, it's not this way. I'll have to go around again. But like, it's a bit shit when you're down here. Like, you don't want to get fucking burnt to death as well. Like, when you die, you lose all of your fucking stuff. That's fucking bullshit. It's like fucking Minecraft. You lose all of your shit when you die. Like, acid mushroom. That. Cruise. Get cruise. Cruise again. Silver ore. What's that? Right. Oh, lubricant again. Cruise and acid mushroom. Anything over here? No, not as I can see. Oh shit. Oh, some fish that blow up. Shit. Fuck's sake, ow. Oh, fuck's sake. Go away. Fuck it, to get hit. So, I need to get 2 coppers. That's all I need is 2 coppers. To create a power cell. Alright. Where is it? There's one, like, over here somewhere. Where is it? It's somewhere. There it is. Copper, yep. I don't need titanium if I get it out of these. Oh, there's one. Please be copper. No, that's titanium. Right, okay, I'm gonna go out and try to find some more copper. Like, you can find them everywhere, but I need to get some surfaces first. There we go. Well, I need to find some water. So I need to find a bladderfish. That's the one that can create water to keep me survive. Aha! Copper. Please be copper. Is it copper? Yes, it's copper. Thank God. Just checking my phone. Right. Okay, I got some acid mushrooms. So go back to the pod and create that vehicle bay. Is it vehicle bay? I don't know. It might be vehicle bay. Wait. Okay, cells. Okay, that's one battery done. That battery done. Oh. Where's the power? Oh. Mobile vehicle bay, that's what it's called. Ah, okay. That's in my storage, so I need to go back in my storage. Okay. There it is. Right, let's create this power cell. There we go. Right, let's go. Right, I'm gonna put all this shit back. I do. Yep, I can make it. Thank fuck. Okay, it's getting sunlight. Nice. I need a bit of sunlight. Wait. Oh, I need to go back. Wait, do I have it? No, I need to go back in. Wait. Inquire that. Now let's go back out. There we go. Right. So what do I need for the sea moth? Power cell, titanium ingot, and glass. Okay. So I think I do have glass. I do have titanium ingots, so I can make that. So I need to do glass first. So make more glass. So, titanium ingot. I feel I do have spare lubricant, don't I? I think I do. Hold on. Yeah, I do have 2 lubricants, so that's good. So...
Seek fluid intake immediately.
Well, I need to find a bladderfish. Right. Oh, bladderfish, yes. Come to me. Right. Oh, never bladderfish. Oh, didn't get it. Where was it? Come here. I didn't get you again. Come here. There we go. Right. Gonna create water. Need to create water. That's the only thing I need to fucking create. There we go, water. There we go. That's it, that's all I need to do. Right, Sea moth, I need a power cell. That's all I need. Yes, my sea moth is ready. Redrick, you're coming back, maybe. You're coming back, baby. Oh, look at it. Oh. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at it. Right, right, just go in here.
This is Avery Quinn, trading ship Sunbeam. Aurora, do you read? Over? Nothing but vacuum. These Altera ships. They run low on engine grease, send an SOS, you offer help, they don't pick up. Aurora, I'm out on the far side of the system. It's gonna take more than a week to reach your position. Do you still need our assistance? Over. I'll try them again tomorrow. Damn charter's gonna have us blowing our credits running errands for Altera. See what the long
What the
range
fuck?
ships pick up in the meantime.
So is that it? Okay. So I'm actually trying to find a crash, I can't say it, a crash site for me to, all I need is a moon pole. That's all I need. So I need to find like 2 fragments of that. So let's see what we need. So I need like a full inventory. So sea glide, I really need my sea glide to have batteries. That's it. That's all I need. So let's get my.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Hello, Redrick. Nice to see you again, mate. Okay. Over here. Let's try and find. Let's try and find like a crash site for from the ship. So I need like fragments or fucking metal. Like that's all I need. Like then I can make titanium. Like loads of it. Oh, I hit something with my Redrick. What the fuck do you hit? So I think that's all I need actually. Like, what the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Mate, that shit me up. What the fuck was that? What was that? Mate, what? What the fuck? Oh, it's you. Hello? What the fuck? Mate, you scared the shit out of me with that fucking loud noise of yours. Jesus. Why you have to do that to me like that, man? Wow. You have to do that to your boy. Wow, wow. Right, let's keep going down here. There's gotta be a crash site down here. I know there is. Because I've been down here before. With my Sea Glide. So I'm just literally just trying to look around. Oh shit. What is down there?
Passing 100 meters. Oxygen efficiency decreased. Passing 200 meters. Oxygen efficiency greatly decreased.
Oh, I don't like it. I don't like being out. I don't like being out. Right, let's get back to my pod. There we go. Hello, Redrick. Where's the crash site? Yeah. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's all I need. There's gotta be moon poles around here. So, where is it? Where's the moon pole? Well, I'm gonna look inside these crates to see if it's open. No, you're not open. No, you're nothing. You got nothing. No, you're nothing. There we go. There's the moon pole. There's one more around here. There's one more around here. I know there is. What was that? Oh, water.
Water ration ahead of time will help ensure against dehydration and eventual death.
Yeah, I can't get in there. I need a laser cutter. So in the next
30 seconds.
after this video, I'm actually gonna try and get a laser cutter. Ooh, another moon pole. There we go. Oh shit! Where was it? Where was it? I'm gonna die. No, I cannot die. I cannot die. No, I'm gonna. Oh, I'm dead. Wait, I can make it. Oh no, just keep spamming A. Keep spamming A. Keep spamming A. I did it. Oh, I was about to die. Fucking hell. Right, I'm gonna go to that other
Maximum depth reached.
button.
Hull damage imminent.
Right, gonna go here. Right,
Passing 200 meters. Oxygen efficiency.
what's in here?
decreased.
Nothing. Right, nothing. Anything? Oh, hello. Another moon pole fragment. But I don't need that. Oh, I need to open that sealed door then. What is that noise, man? My god, that's literally scaring the shit out of me now. No joke. Right, I'm gonna head back to my pod. What is that noise? Well, I'm gonna leave it here to go back to my pod, so see you guys in a bit. Right, just need to check this message on the radio.
Land pre-recorded distress call.
This is Officer Keane in Light Pod 19. The captain is gone.
On
I've
to the
assumed
captain.
command. The last thing the captain did was give me coordinates for dry land. We regrouped 1.5 kilometers southwest of the crash site. Stay together and good luck. This message will now repeat.
Rendezvous coordinates corrupted. Transmission origin coordinates downloaded. Signal location uploaded to PDA.
Okay, so how far are they gonna go? Right, life pod 19. Is it 300 meters away? Right. Oh, I'm going up. There we go. Get my moth.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Thank you. 1,000. Okay. Right, let's go for a bit then. You know what? I'm actually gonna cut this video because it's so long to get there. Okay, we're almost there. We're like 400 meters away from the crash site now, from the life pod 19. So yeah, I'm actually happy. So if we reach the maximum of 200 meters, we will, you know, get crashed. So I need to get my sea glide with some batteries. So I'm gonna hunt for like 4 or 5 batteries. So a lot of silver ore that I need to get. It's all the way down there. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the maximum depth, aren't I? So I just go down there.
Warning.
Fuck it, go down there.
Depth reached.
Fuck it.
Hull damage imminent.
Where is it? Right, let's go up. Oh shit. 30. 20. No. Oh.
Passing 100 meters.
Right, just need to go down there.
Efficiency decreased. Passing 200 meters. Oxygen efficiency greatly decreased.
Yep.
Biodiversity in this region is unusually low. Cause unknown. New blueprint.
Right, let's go up. I just need to move my headset. There we go. Right, just need to go up there, and that's all. There we go. Right, can I fix it? Oh, should I get my repair tool? Right, I'm gonna end this video here, so leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what you think. If this gets 2 or 1 like 2 likes, I will make another Subnautica video for you all. It might be 30 or 40 minutes long, or maybe I do it like 20 minutes again. So I hope you all have a nice day, so I'll see you all in the next one.